Organic food is picking momentum these days owing to the increasing toxic level and various lifestyle disorders among human beings. Products like green tea, Chia Drink, Beetroot Juice, Bragg's Apple Vinegar, coconut water all are becoming the drinks that health-conscious people like to start their day with. If you are even a tad bit concerned about your health, then you need to start having organic food and organic drinks, since they are very helpful for you with regard to giving you good health and long quality life. The main reason for including organic food into your diet is that organic food is quite nutritious, does not have toxins that create a negative effect on the body in comparison to other conventional foods that we have in our daily routine. So it is very important for you to know what exact benefits you can reap when you include organic food into your daily regimen. Let's check out some benefits of organic food. Organic food increases your body's antioxidant capacity. Yes, it is true that if you start eating organic food, then it can increase your body's antioxidant capacity. This fact is supported by many studies conducted all across the world. Fruits like apples, avocados, vegetables like tomatoes when grown organically possess a high quantity of antioxidants that are known to fight cancer cells and postpone aging signs. Organic food is very helpful for you not only in the prevention of cancer but heart diseases also. If you start taking organic food, then it can protect your health from harmful chemicals that accumulate inside the body as a result of having conventional food that is laden with various pesticides and insecticides. If you want to live a quality life free from diseases, then switch to organic foods today. Good for immune system. Your immune system is the most important system of your body since it protects the body from all infections, microbes, and infections that might attack your body. If there is no immune system or the immune system fails, then you are bound to die even with a common cold or flu. If your immune system is weak, then your body does not fight against harmful bacteria and your body may be caught up by diseases. A weak immune system means frequent illness and prolonged sickness. It is important for you to start having organic food to make your immune system stronger. Organic food contains rich vitamins and minerals which are helpful for your body to make your immune system stronger. It is better in tastes compared with conventional food. If we are talking about the taste of organic food, yes, it tastes better. You won't know it until you taste it. It is tasty because farmers growing their food in an organic environment provide full time with no addition of harmful chemicals to the crops. If you add organic meat, organic milk and organic fish into your diet, then it is also very helpful for your overall health also. Because they are also given full time for their development and they grow in their natural conditions. It is poison-free. You can eat organic food without any concern of adding harmful chemicals to your body. Since it does not grow on any insecticides and pesticides, thus even traces of poison do not reach your body. All things used in this growing process are very natural and do not harm your health. If you are still eating non-organic food, then it can be very harmful to your overall health. Because these harmful chemicals are linked with diseases such as cancer, digestive dysfunctions, and headache. Thus it is important that you use only organic food, and you can also spread awareness among your friends and other people also. Improve your overall health. When you start eating organic food, then you can find positive results within a few days. It is very helpful for you and your overall health in many ways. Organic food is very helpful for you in keeping your heart strong, improves your eyesight and improves your skin tone also. So you need to quit non-organic food and start eating organic food from today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video today. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest health and fitness tips. See you in the next video.